Let's compare GitLab Duo and GitHub Copilot. GitLab Duo is built directly into the GitLab DevSecOps platform. It provides code suggestions, code explanation, and vulnerability detection using AI. It's designed for teams working entirely within GitLab, combining AI support with CI/CD, issue tracking, and security tools. Duo understands merge requests, comments, and project context, making it ideal for end-to-end development workflows in a single platform. GitHub Copilot is a code generation tool powered by OpenAI. It works inside popular editors like VS Code, JetBrains, and NeoVim. Copilot suggests code in real time as you type and supports dozens of languages. It's strong for autocomplete, boilerplate code, and repetitive logic. While it integrates with GitHub, it doesn't cover the full DevOps cycle. Its strength lies in flexibility and fast output, not full project context. Use GitLab Duo if your team is already in GitLab and wants AI deeply integrated into the entire workflow. Use GitHub Copilot for fast general-purpose code suggestions across multiple editors and languages. GitLab Duo is best for secure, team-based pipelines. Copilot is best for rapid solo coding and prototyping.